So today I will be repairing this Max D Lego monster truck that is a pullback. So first, let's start off with the lights. And then let's repair it there. And then for the flag, this flag, I'm gonna get the other thing that is this. It's a part of the flag. And then we hook it onto, here. And then, there it is. We have already restored this monster truck. Let's test if it actually pulls back nicely. So, I am gonna put the monster truck here and what's this? Oh, it actually pulls back nicely! And it pumps into there. So, that's the restoration video. The full restoration video. Bye!